Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Crypto Trader with Mining Trades, and I'd like to get this started. As you can see from my last video, I was able to send over the 0.0074 over here, but the fees from Bitcoin was 001, which took $13.93 away, and now it left me with 0.0064 to just about $90 left to trade with. I'm gonna times this by let's see, what should I times it by? Whatever it is I'm going to trade with, right? Times, let's see, times 10. So say 90 times 10. Just doing this because I can. 90 times 10 is about $900. Wait, what the heck? 90 times 10. That's what I got to trade with. Or I could trade with, let me see, maybe I trade with 90 times 25, $2,250. Margin gets tight. Let's see, what if I trade with 90 times 50? Oh, I got $4,000 to trade with. What if I trade with 90 times 100? Boom, $9,000. The margin is so tight. The liquidation price on 9,000 is so tight, guys. You just, after like it slips like $20 against you, it'll just take all your $84. That's pretty much what you don't want to do. But if you do 90 times 5, let's see, margin is pretty wide. But you know, 90 times 5 is kind of like how much money you want to make. You know, like, are you in this for the money or are you in this for the dummy? All right, I don't know. So, anyways, got $90 trade with. We're gonna do a little trading. Okay, and let's get into BitMEX. Let's set this to 10 times. Just to, if I wanted to trade with that 10 times leverage, right, I would trade with the whole $900. The whole enchilada's getting down on there, man. You put the whole thing on there. The whole thing? The whole thing. All right, let's divide 900 by 4. How about 5? What's 900 divided by 5? The thing is, we want our margin to kind of, our liquidation, not margin, but we want our liquidation price to be something that if it goes, well, I'm not gonna let this thing go against me, so I'm gonna be setting stop losses really close. So I mean, very close. So I don't really care about margin in this instance. I only care about how much money I'll lose if my stop losses hit. That is what I do care about. Let's see where the maximum loss is at. What contract? If we're going short, you want to trade. Oh, did I tell you how long it took for this to get deposited? One confirmation, very quick. This BitMEX takes one confirmation, only one confirmation. Okay, one confirmation. Let's see. If I go short on a perpetual swap, which is this one right here, this XBT USD, you go short on that, they have to pay you, the people who are long pay you interest. And if you go long on this contract, you pay people who are going short against you interest every 8 hours. So best to go trade this futures contract, which is right here. Here is the inverse futures contract. It has no interest or anything like that. But if I do decide to go short, I'm going to go over here and trade this perpetual swap. And here's 900. Got it. If we do times 10, we can get away with $1,000. Let's see. If I do pull out the calculator, let's find out what liquidation price would be It's always $100 away from whatever this is, so you'll hit it before you actually get here. So if your liquidation price, like if I went like say long right now at 1600, let's say 1400, because Bitcoin is at 14,231. All right, and liquidation price, if it went against me, would be 12,900. So that's a long ways down on 10 times leverage. That's a long ways down. It just came from 12,000. Let's just say that's $1,300, okay? Which would be right here. We just came from here, okay? Just came there. Who's to say we won't be headed back though? Okay, but I'm gonna use stop loss. So if I am wrong, it's gonna hit my stop loss way right here. I want to set a stop loss like right about there. Like, swear to God, if I enter right now on a long position right here, my stop loss is getting set right here. Boom, right there. No way, no way, no way, Jose. Let's do it again. Where's my magnet at? That was weird. Boom. All right, there it is. That's my stop loss. Straight up. Out. I'm not taking no losses, okay? It's time to put this thing down. All right, now what would that be if I actually went long right here? Do we know what price this is? Because it's covering it, right? Is it 1900? No. That's dumb. That's not it. Let's go into coordinates. It's 14. Copy. Okay. Oops. Delete. Let's do another one right here. Boom, and then go in there, and then I'll coordinates are right there. So paste. That's a workaround for you. So let's get our chart set up over here. Liquidation price at $1,000 would be 13. That's down here. You know, like why would I even want to even hold a position going against me that long? Because you want to take a loss or something. That's crazy. Look at this turning red already. I would have got in right here. Got red. Got red on you, buddy. Let's see, 900. Liquidation price, same thing. Let's say 200. Same liquidation price. Interesting, right? This, a lot of people don't know this, especially me. Like, look, same liquidation price, because that's 10 times the liquidation price. No matter how much money you got, I could have $100,000. Okay, that liquidation price is still right there. Okay, so it doesn't matter how much money you got. Your liquidation price is always going to be times whatever it is you times 10. So times 5. Let's do it a better way. Times 5. Liquidation price goes from 13 to 12. The closer you get to this thing. So if I wanted to trade with 450, right? But I'm gonna trade with 10. That's kind of close to where $1,000 is. Let's see what 25 is. 13,700. Just to trade with 1,000. Okay. Double that. 900 times. 90 times 25. How many contracts can I get out of that? That'll be. If I hit my stop loss, I wonder what that would actually look like. So let's begin trading with the $1,000. 13,700 is right here. That'll be right there. That is close. 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 All right, we're gonna trade with 900. That is really close. Do I care? Answer that question. 750. Yeah, I do care, because the closer it gets down, the more this actually, the liquidation actually is dynamic. It'll change the liquidation, get closer to you. So you really gotta, it's like 25x is like a setup, like straight up. Like it's gonna take your dough straight up. So let's do 10. Let's do 900. We can't do, well, we can do 900 at a time. So we'll work our way up to 1,000 and try to keep it at 1,000 and just keep, that's what we'll do, because we don't really want to trade with less than 1,000. We're going to trade with $1,000 if we could, but we only got 90 in here. So it's probably going to be less than 90. It's going to be 800 right now. 800. That's 4. We can add contracts on like about 200. Test the waters out. Let's see what stop loss would look like on an $800 contract. All right, right now, and then this is isolated margin cross. Okay, this is isolated. What would it look like on? Oh, I don't understand the differences between cross and the differences between these two here. Just, oh, this is based on my balance. Oh, cross is based on balance. Okay, let me know something then. What if I put $1,000 in? Liquidation price would be way down there if I only did 100. But if I did 1,000, liquidation price would be better. That's interesting. Is that a better liquidation price than this? No, not really. But it's close. It's close. It's close as hell. What if I put it on for $2,000? Liquidation price would be right here. Based on my my wallet. That's interesting. All right, we're gonna I'm gonna trade cross, resulting equity $1,300, $1,000. All right, let's go ahead and trade cross. Margin is cross margin. So when my balance goes bigger, my liquidation gets further away. That's cool. So it'll shrink if I lose. So we got to be aware of that. And let's handle this $1,000. Instead of divide that by 5, we can do 200. Do risk management is always like 200. But you know, you're trading with Bitcoin, so really you want to trade with $14,000. But we're just going to practice trading successfully right now. Go ahead and hit this cross right here, boom, and we got that in there, boom, boom. That's 1,000, and then cost will be 8, whatever that is, market. All right, so look, liquidate it. Don't get yourself liquidated when you trade so much like that. You get liquidated. Where's my eraser? Right there it is. Get the hell out of here. What is you doing? Oh my damn chart. Get out of there. All right, so are we ready? It looks like we're all set up over here. I want to know what it would be to get stopped out at 1,000. So I'm gonna keep it at 1,000 before I put it to 200. All right. If I get stopped out, which I'm probably going to, this market is a beast. It's an animal. It's a filthy animal, and it doesn't give a damn about your money. All right, it doesn't. It'll gobble your money really quick. So you gotta be really careful. I'll show you market. All right, let's see. December 29th. Yes, we got the futures contract on XBT 17, 15. They got one right here for March. I'm looking at over here. Let's see if they're trading. Which one are they trading the most of right now? I believe they put the most liquid ones first. Trade activity. All right, let's go over here. Let's look at the perpetual swap. Look at that shit. It's going haywire. 15-minute. EMA cross. I want to edit this stuff, so let's go to format, inputs, style, short. It's gonna be yellow. Long is gonna be red. And then the cross is going to be yellow, big, on. All right, that's working. All right, let's go in there again and try to EMA, right? These are EMAs. This is not don't think we want EMAs to do this. Let's format this EMA again. This is going to be a 5, and then color is going to be blue, like that, and then I'm going to take the crosses and the long off. Okay, and then hit that like that. Wait a minute, let's go back in there and format this thing again. Well, I do want it to be skinny, so I'm gonna see what it looks like big. So what it looks like big, that's what a skinny one looks like. All right, BitMEX. Maybe we want to take this and dilute the hell out of it. Like that. Okay, and then let's grab us a simple moving average. Just a moving average. All right, got one. Now is it blue? What color is that? All right, here it is. Grab this sucker and format it and put it 20. Can I find a moving average cross on here? Let's see if I find a moving average cross on here. Here's one. All right, format 20, 200, style, yellow. Okay. Something happened to my EMA. You just disappeared like that. Oh, okay, there it is. Don't know how I made it disappear. That was interesting though. My EMA cross, I wanted to be a little skinnier than that, so let's thin it out like that. And I don't know what happened to my yellow one here. That kind of looked weird. Oh, there it is right there. All right, we want it right about there. Cross to be right there. Boom, boom, boom. All right. So flatten out. This thing's probably. All right, now we can. Damn, where did my yellow thing go? Something's in the way of it. I believe something's in the way of it, and I don't know what it is just yet. Something's right here in the way of it. You guys saw that? It's grayed out. Check it out. What could it be? Visual objects tree. I'm gonna get rid of the VWAP. Put this below everything. Below the V. Right there, boom. Alright, there we go. So things are on top of the EMA cross. VWAP volume. Volume goes below here. I'm gonna style, input style, columns, area, what's this do? Okay, let's do a green red column thing. I want to see if I can kind of get them to disappear a little bit. Right there, like right there. Get these things to go histogram. Well, now I can brighten them up now. Kind of like that. Okay. And then hit OK. And now looks like we're all set up here. Yeah, okay. So let's take a look at the 15. What are we looking at? Let's look at the hourly. What it looks like on a day. What a day, what a day. That is a day to behold right there. This AO indicator is not looking like I want it to. So we get rid of it, remove, and then this RSI is cool. This average true range is okay. 2,000 average true range, around 25,000. This thing is moving in the thousands today. So says the average true range. Average range is close to 2,000. Jesus. Let me blow this up. Average true range is right here. What is that? I don't know. Let's pull it down. Let's get on it. 2,075. Close to 2,080. So just to say it's 2,000. Average true range. All right, right here. About 2,000. Hey, what happened happened to the two? There it is. Tried to disappear. All right, now RSI is looking googly moogly, whatever that means. All right, here we go. Boom, 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 boom. All right, that there is a downtrend on the daily. I would short this. But look at this bar right here. See, now when you see something like this, we know what that is, don't we? Oh, yes, we do. Look at that. Let me pull up my trading view. One thing good about BitMEX is you can use trading view with it. It's pretty good. It's dope. If I can remember how to pull up trading view. There it is. Who can it be now? All right. Here's our lumens. They said this is a buy, and it was a long time ago, and it hasn't went anywhere. Nowhere. You're going nowhere. Future market weekend closes for Wall Street. That is not for me. So are we trading the USD XBT USD? Here it is. Never seen these contracts so close in price before. Where's Coinbase? Is 600. That's about $400 above. Everything else in Coinbase is like $600 above. What's this bitch cash doing? Oh, okay. All right, there we go. All right, let's do this. Here we go. Look at that. We're going to look at that. Look at that. So it's actually adding up with this right here. Perpetual swap contract. Oh, okay. Perpetual inverse swap contract. Okay. USD. Perpetual inverse swap contract. BitMEX. Okay. Real time data is 4,274. 4,207. 47. 47.1. 47.9. Yeah. You just want to make sure it's actually matching up with the price. This BitMEX thing is in the way. I mean, this BX, that's the index. It's getting in our way of our prices and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab it, format it, and then I don't think there's a way to hide the value of it. It's just chilling there too, like a villain. So I guess I gotta get rid of it somehow. Scale right. Let's see if scale left, what that looks like. That's no scale. That is ridiculous. I'm getting rid of this thing. It's in the way. Scale left. Scale right. Alright, so let's just hide it for now. I might want to pull it back up. If I need to check on something. There is no line going through here, but I'll put one just for visual sake. Background, crosshair, vertical, symbol, scales, percentage, track, countdown. Where's my countdown? Hey, where's my countdown? Hey. Track time. Time zones. Background. Here's the price line. Borders, right? Candles. Let's see if I can clear this up. Okay, well, undo. Can't undo that much. All right, so the border should be green. All right, not that green. Green. All right, that's better. All right, so this is going to have to do it for now. So that's about as best as I can get it to look. I can't get my clock out there though. Where's the you know, the scales? It says countdown, right? I'm clicking on it and I want to see my countdown, but it's not popping out. Auto scale percentage, log scale, scale series only, time, track time. This thing isn't moving. It's a day chart. That's why it looks like it's hanging around at 14,198. Now, what should we do now? All right. We got this up. We're going $1,000 right here. This USD, and then basically this is a day. These are day candles, so 14,100. Let's look at where we've been in this day right here. So let's cruise down to the 4-hour chart. Last 4 candle bars inside this day look like this. That was a 4-hour chart. I'm looking at this candle. This is a candle of interest right here. This candle was bullish. This one was even more bullish. This is more bearish though. Continue downwards. This one kind of went down and got pushed back up, and then as such it's getting pushed back up. This definitely is a bullish candle. I would enter in right here 14.1 instead of stop loss for 13. That is a big ass stop loss though. So let's head down to the 1 hour, see if we can break these 4-hour bars up. 4, 8, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so right around here is where the key reversal happened at 6:00. Excuse me, 6:00. I think that was 6 a.m. this morning. Do you think that actually went down there at 6 a.m. this morning? I find that hard to believe. Maybe it was. Let's see. It's 2 o'clock. Let's see. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, and it's 2 o'clock. Damn, that it went down here at 6 a.m. I should have been ready to trade this thing, but I wasn't. I was not ready. Okay. I'm ready now. And we got green. This is a green bar right here. All right. And this is an hourly right here. So it's selling off right there. We're gonna have to peer down up in here. This is actually a momentum to buy right here. People would have probably puked out of their positions right here. That's what I would suspect would happen. Right there, they would just pretty much, that's the place of getting puked out on. Right here. Because you would have went long or long, and you would have been like short, you would have puked out. Or look at this. This is from 13.2 to 12,000. That's almost $1,000 move. These candles are like $1,000 candle moves right here on Bitcoin. Tread careful, my friends. We got a 15 candle again. I can't trade 10s. I can only trade 15s over here. Let's see if we can get this to come up. Invalid symbol. Let's do it again. 15. Invalid symbol. 5. Are you serious? They can't be serious. This is not true. I know I can see a 5. All right, let's go to this this side right here. We got 15-minute candle right now. Let's go back to perpetual swap. They don't want to show us that. It's taking a while to load up. Maybe we should give it a second. All right, let's go to the futures. There is green over here. Recent trades, there are none. They're all green. $15,000. What in the world is going on? March 30th. They're saying it's gonna be high. All right, let's go back over here. Hopefully it pops up. Come on now. Let's give it a second. I'll be back. I'm gonna make some coffee. This thing should pop up. I can't believe it's not popping up. It said invalid symbol. What a dickhead ass chart. Let's go 1 minute. 1 minute is in there. 5 minute and the 15 minute are and the 1 hour is in there. All right, so that's like saying we don't want you to trade this because you're making too much money on this one. You can't trade the 5 because you're gonna make too much money, but you can trade the 1 minute. It's loading because it's gonna shake your ass out of whatever you're doing because it's a crazy chart. It's a crazy way to trade. What's this, 4 to 200? That's a $200 move right here. The percentages on that, let's see. We're gonna trying to see if we can capture some percentages. That's a 1% move. That's about $10, give or take. When you're trading with $1,000, we're gonna just, you might get scared when it turns red. So we don't trade this shaky, achy, breaky, break your heart. We look at this to see if there's any reversals happening. Like right now, I don't believe I see any reversals taking place, but we can sideways. So let's see what happened if I was to buy here and that sold there. That would be 3% move. That's $30. Not bad for a minute chart. Now this BitMEX thing, I made you disappear. I said hide yourself. Hide yourself. Hide yourself. But 15 minutes, come on, baby, come on. All right, that shit's ridiculous. They're gonna force us to trade this. 15 minute is there. All right, so we're gonna keep it on here and take a look at this for what it is. There was a sell signal right here. Boom, we missed that yesterday on the 17th. I got an XVG alert crossing. Let's go to XVG. Let's just look at it. I'm not going to trade this thing. It's 13 cents right now. Hit okay. That thing is up there at 13 cents. Not bad. People could have bought it at 7 cents today. I want to make more Bitcoin. I don't want more Verge. Look at this. See, we're in the presence of an uptrend, especially if it crosses this top. But this is a 15-minute chart, huh? Yeah. It may bounce off of this part right here, though. Like it went up right here and bounced off of it or underneath it. It could bounce underneath it, or it can continue higher. But that's my job as a trader to decide, right? All right, so what's happening over here? That is happening over here. Not a damn thing. Let's see. RSI is almost at the top. Squeeze the sucker down. All right, now we got a trading view over here too that we're going to be using. Litecoin's at 384. That's a great thing, man. I love it. Let me look at that chart. You guys want to see it? Look at this. Get Litecoin from the bottom to the top. Now we're here. It's also right here, just like the Bitcoin is over here. As crazy as that looks, right? Let me go up here to Coinbase. Let's go to Coinbase BTC 14,700. It hasn't done anything out of the ordinary. Let's go back. Let's go to our XBT Let's look at the two futures contracts right here on BitMEX. Same thing going on over here. Let me erase this. Okay. And we're on the XBT this for 15 minutes, so we can actually see our timer right here. Oh, the timer's disappeared. Oh, I see what happened. Okay, I can fix it now. Let's go back into the, let me show you what I'm talking about. I see the timer right here, but since I dimmed the green candle, it dims the color of that. So let's pull that back up and attempt to fix the green border. No, green candle. There it is. Look at it in all its glory. 532, 531, 529, 27, 25, 26. They're off by like about a second. So all right, we're going to keep that like that. That's all we can do. And I'll dim it just a little bit more. I can see it. 4. All right, cool. Now let's get out of here. Tweaking on the chart. Let's see. Why is this blue thing and there's another blue thing? See, it keeps giving me this. That is a cold shame. Cross. It may cross. This thing should be hidden. All right, just like that, and then we'll close this thing up. And we're going to be playing off of this right here. See, on the 15-minute, we're experiencing $400 average true ranges. So each candle on average is moving $400 in either direction. Each candle, each 15-minute candle is giving us $400 moves. Okay, so quick exits, quick timing, 15 minutes, get in, get out. We might want to hang out if we can catch a rip like this from 13 all the way to 14. What's that? 13 to 14.4. You know, that's about a $1,500 move right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so what do we have here on this bar? Bullish. It's above this yellow. I would have got in right here and I would have been able to stay in there. So right now I'm not going to get in because it's too far away from this yellow one, although it is above this green one. So I might get in and put a stop below it on the next bar. Let's see how many minutes we got left. 2 minutes and 27 seconds. We're going to be counting. How do you enter? Should we practice with 200 first? How do you enter your stops? How do you enter your stops? Are going to get entered right here, and then we're going to move them from the chart. We're going to chart trade. We got $1,000 on there, so we kind of want to look at this timer and time our entries and exits surgically by the millisecond if we can. So we got 1 minute left. This is a 15-minute. I can't pull out a what's this thing called 10-minute like I want. I thought I would, but I can't. BitMEX don't let you trade under 10 minutes. I don't think so. 1 minute, 32, 33. One minute 26, 24, 1 minute 20. There's a long liquidation because somebody doesn't know how to trade. It alerts me when other people liquidate. Somebody put a long position right here at the top and they pull back on them, and they probably went 100 times. I'm doing a cross leverage. Lets me use money based on how much money I have in. Sets my liquidation based on how much money I have in. So the more money I make, the further away my liquidation goes. $100 liquidation will liquidate you probably like in $50 from away. It'll be like $50 away from your entry at 100 times X. So you gotta be, if you know, no matter how much money you put in, okay, your liquidation is going to be like $50 away. Cross is good for that. So if you only want to use $1,000, you know, to play with right here, then based on your amount you have in, it'll liquidate you based on how much money you actually have in. It automatically calculates it for you. Right here, you can pull a calculator out, set it to, instead of setting it to isolated, which gives you 10 times leverage, you can set it to cross. And this is my, you know, I put $90 in. The transaction fee took $10 away, so actually $90. I sent 100, took 10 away, and now I got 90 to, so I actually can use 1,000. That's a little bit higher than my liquidation price is at 13. I think you like, and I'm saying if I played it at 14, let's see, if I played it at I entered the position at 14.3, let's see, it went to 4.17, and there's a new candle bar right here being made, so this is bullish. The bulls are in control, so I would go long right here and exit right here. Let's get back to the calculations later. Let me draw this, make this a little bit bigger. This looks like a good place to enter in. That looks like a worse place to enter in. $100 difference, $150 difference. What's this right here? 380. That's close to 400. All right, let's enter in. Go along. Market. It's going to sell. I'm going to buy it from this sellers right here for 4447, 14,447, 1,000. Buy market. 4,486. It switched up on me. 4,486.5. There we go. I bought from them right there. I'm in. Now we're gonna put our stop just below this right here at what's this, 14,355. 14,355. 14,355. Close. Order filled. Did you see that? Why would it fill my order? I did not like that. I feel like it jacked me. That was not supposed to happen. All right, now why would that happen? I have to figure this stuff out because this is not a good thing. You know what I mean? Now I got to go down to like 100 and figure out what the hell is going on. Buy at market. Right there, boom. Now 14. I'm trying to go down at 14,350. 14,350. Now before I hit close, let's move this up and down. Choose a limit price for your close order here. All right. Limit price. All right, now limit post only. Okay. .00. I'm gonna hit this again, close. That is funky. That was funky. It was $100 away from it. This must be something in the rule book saying you can't enter a limit that close. All right, so we're getting away from ourselves here, so let's just take a breather. Try to enter it. If it comes back down here, we'll enter it again. I want to set a limit. I guess I'll have to set a limit below this bar right here. So we're trying to time this stuff. Go back to 1,000. Let's do 100. Let's go ahead and do 100 real quick and see if we can find out what the limit. I'll press buy long, and then I want to holy shit. Y'all see that? How did I get such a good position? Active orders. Oh, that's an order. That's why. That was an order right there. Okay, let's delete that. Let me see if I can put a that's great, right? So I can only fill if it goes down here. So let me see if I can put a stop in for 3. What's this down? 355 for 355. Stop limit, stop buy, sell short. Buying right there and selling right here. All right, so let's see what happens. All right. I see what's going on here. I'm missing money. That's what's going on. That's all that's happening. Nothing else really happening. Just missing some money. What are we, 6 minutes into this now? It looked like my stops can't be entered super duper close like I wanted. Last on trigger. Stop market. Set sell stop. 330. Let's see what this looks like. Last on trigger. That looks like the way I can do it right there. Stop market. That could be anything. That could lead to anything. So we'll just keep this on here. Stop market. Sell stop. All right. It's red, so it's going to sell and stop. So the only trigger, once it triggers, it'll trigger a market sell, not a limit sell. So I might want to do a limit sell, right? So let's see how to do a limit sell for 13.19. So let's go to limit sell, take profit market. What the hell was that? Short liquidation. Somebody's going short right there and got liquidated. All right, so take profit market, take profit limit, take profit market, take profit limit. That's funny, huh? Take profit market, take profit limit. Trailing stop, stop limit. Here he is. Now, limit price, stop price. These things should be the same. It took me a long time to learn this stuff. So whoever's hearing this, y'all getting a lot of gain that I had to pay for, and no one's teaching this shit. Swear to God. So this is the same as that. All right, so we're gonna hit set stop. What the hell? All right, let's do this. Sell 100 contracts of XBT at 30 trigger at this or and below. Anything below this, right? That's exactly right. And set a stop at this price, right? That's exactly right. Place stop. Where is it at? There it is. There, it's about about 70, 80 dollars away. About 70, $85 away. All right, that's about $85 away from this right here. So good thing I got it up there. That's where I want it up there. Now I'm not in a position yet, so trying to get the mechanics down, as you can see. So we're playing with $100, even though I want this to be more than that. I can set this right now. Edit order. Hey buddy, edit order. All right, how did the hell do you edit the order? If I click on it once, it's not doing nothing. That is wicked, yo. This normally just works. Now let's go right here. That normally works, swear to God. No problem. Let's move this down. Let's click on this. All right. What seems to be the problem? I'm not sure. So the other way you can edit this is going up here, hit edit. This is active orders. So we can hit this for 1,000 right there, check. And then on the limit, it amended it and it's 1,000 right there. And then right here under stops, we can amend this to add 10. Okay. Here we are. Now, we want to place our stops close. That's what I'm trying to do. And it's one of these you know, it's one of these things where if you allow the interface to do it automatically for you, it won't let you do it. Okay, it'll just take you out of your position, which is not cool. So we're doing stop limits at the limit price. We want to, it's 49 seconds left. This is a bullish as hell candle. 46 seconds. 46 seconds. It's already getting bullish, so I just want to be able to get out of the position if we get into a position. I gotta brighten this up a little more. 20 seconds, 18 seconds, 11 seconds, 6 seconds, and there's a new candle. So it appears that the bulls are in control right here. Bulls are definitely in control still. Enter this market. Right there, amending, and then I would enter this stop right here. All right, it's moving too fast. Extremely bullish market. Remember, a lot can happen in 15 minutes. Like that. What the freak, man? Come on, man. I can't catch it. I can't catch this running bull. There's a pullback. I can't catch this running bull, guys. It's running fast. This thing is running fast. All right, come on back. I don't even know if the bulls might take this thing over on this candle. How would I know? That's why I got to stop right there. This is a lot of upside right there. Okay. Let's go ahead and chase this thing down right here. Amending. Damn it. Come on, man. What are you doing? Oh, this is fun. This is real, true, live Bitcoin trading right here, baby. I'm gonna put this thing back some. I don't know what to say. This thing is like really making me annoyed right now. How hard it is to catch this thing. All right, let's try to catch it. Let's try to catch it. Let's try to catch it right here. All right, I'm in. look, it's going down. That's fucked up, ain't it? I just know that's fucked up. Oh, that's fucked up, man. Where's my timing at? 11 minutes? All right, that's my timer. All right, we in profit. Already got what, 400%? No, that's not it. Don't look at that shit. That's weird. What I'm trying to say is, let's go. Active orders done. Stop is in place. Let's go right here. We got 0.003, 50% in of our money. I don't know how that fucking works like that, but it does. It's like already got 0.003. That's really nothing, but 41% return on equity looks good to me. I don't know why, but not sure. So here we go. We're in. I would definitely love to move my stop up, but not yet. I don't want it to trigger. That's why. Zero, 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 zero. Where's the liquidation price? 13. All right, so 4, 1. If I close that market, it would give me 1, 2. Who would I have to sell this contract to? I just bought it. I would have to sell it to them. 789. They want $54,000 right here. Nobody's trading. 14,806 is the last traded price. Pull back. They brought it. They sold it for cheaper. They sold their contracts. There's hella bulls stepping up. You see, this is a lot of bulls, so we're headed up. I believe. I'm not going to sit up here and say I know for sure, but they could be big green frog fronting like they got some, you know, trying to scare everybody out the market that's selling for whatever reason. I mean, I don't know why they would do that, but I'm trying to wrap my mind around. I might have to write an essay about it to discover why that is. So we're moving up, and how much are we making? 0.003. It cost me 0.01 to send this. No, it cost me 0.001 to send. That's $10. So 0.001 is 10. 0.0014 is what they just took away from me, so I can make that back right now on a slip up. Am I trading a $100 contract now? Okay, we'll just keep it at $100, and then I'll go and edit it later. We're going to continue this process. This is rinse, repeat, rinse, wash, repeat. I amended it, so now I can only make money right there, but it's not going to be probably nothing but 0.22. That was nothing. 1,000 contracts. Why do I still got 1,000 contracts on? Can anybody explain to me why that is? If I just close it out with 1,000 active orders, are we running into glitches in this thing? Is that what we're on now? Is that what we're on now? I know you guys see this like I see this. This is bizarre ass behavior. I have to wrap my mind around this because I don't normally set my screen. My screen is normally not set up like this. So let me pull this down and figure out what the fuck could be causing this dumbass shit to take place. All right, I know what I gotta do. Slide this down. All right, that was weird. Sell stop was set. Position. They're not allowing me to make money or something, would you say? Fuck that. Is that a 14 close, market close position? Click to close your entry position at blah 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 500. What the fuck just happened? I don't understand how it's closing my orders and it's not nowhere near my order. Cancel active orders. I have an active order in here, y'all. Look at that shit. What the fuck is this shit doing? How am I supposed to trade this shit with all these glitches? Damn, man. That is just not a good thing. Let's do 10x. Damn, man, I can't wrap my mind around this shit. Let's go back to cross, because I can't. I've been on this site before, and it's just like, I've never experienced anything like this. This is just not working the way it's meant to. Like I know it to work. It's like, what the fuck? Let me slide this back down. Let's try to maintain composure. Keep this at 100. We're gonna work this thing out at 100. I haven't lost any real money. Probably what 004, 003 zeros, 4. I suspect this thing is getting ready to be turned bullish when it hits the red line up at the top here. If it crosses the red line, I'm buying. So what I'm gonna do is, where's this red line at? Let's see, 15.3. I can go ahead and buy market right here. That's a $100 contract, as you can see right here. It's already submitted and it's in. It's in there. Now, how do I set a stop? Right, that is the main goal of this whole trading exercise right here. Now, if I set my stop, I don't expect the damn thing to close as soon as I set a limit stop. I'm about to take profit limit. How about that shit? Where did I get in at? Let's see. 800. Take profit. Market. Stop market. Let's do a stop limit. So when I moved it, I guess that's what happened when I moved it. It changed the values around. Notice that value is not the same as what stop price and limit price. It finagled me. So let's try this again. Let's try 319. All right, and then we're gonna hit and what was that? This? I think we're gonna hit set sell stop, right? Triggers if less than or equal to 319. Right there. Now, if I wanted to edit this, if I drag it around, watch only one of these will get edited, this or this. I'm not sure which one. Stop limit 319, 337. Notice that's what the problem is right there. Now I know. So really what you got to do is you got to go right here under stops and you got to edit trigger price, stop price, okay? Triggers right here, and then this is where it sets a limit up at. So this is even more complicated than I imagined. Let's put it underneath here. So 1481, 14, 800. I can't see. Damn, what the fuck? 14,745, 14,745. Where's my position? Entered in at 14,800. 14,700. Some weird ass numbers. Let's go down here to 14,900. 14,600. Right there. Now I can mess around with this thing. Even though it looks like we're reversing. How many minutes we got left? Damn, if it turns red, I can't see it. You little trickery ass fucking. This thing is full of tricks, man. It's crazy. This thing's full of tricks. Oh damn, I swear. How do you trade? I don't know, man. How do you trade with stops? That's what we're learning. This is how you trade with stops. The way none of the brokers want you to, all right? They made this shit so complicated. All right, are we reversing? It's turning red. I don't want to even be in this. Put the stop right here, right below this. Like I said, I don't want to be in this damn thing. It's going to trigger at 6:17. And it's going to load at it's going to load a stop limit at 14,600. So it's about $20 away. How many minutes we got left? 11. Did we start a new? Yeah, we did. Whew, a little chilly. A little chilly, would you say? Yeah, so I would say that things are turning bearish, since this is a bearish candle. We're only working with $100 right now, so don't even worry. Trigger price 303 plus. What is that about? Boom. Trigger cancel, order canceled. What you mean order canceled? Let's do a reduce only. All right. I think I got to put reduce only in for these damn limits to work. Fucking weird shit, man. God damn, I ain't never had to go through this shit. All right, let's sell. Okay, I'm still in a position, so I can't even front. They're not gonna let me out. So let's do 600. Let's do 590. 14,590. All right, close. Let's see if this works. Not bad. Reduce only. Remember that. What the fuck? You're not gonna trigger? You're below the shit right here. You just bypass my shit, huh? Oh, this shit is fucking crazy, man. Look at this shit. All right. Close positions. I lost like 0.0001 on $100. I lost money right here on $100. That's crazy. 14.8 to 14.5. So $300 you lose 0.0001. Okay, we want to make that. We want to make all of this back. So let's see how this candle ends. I think I had to click this reduce only, which reduce only order will only reduce your position, not increase your position. If this order would increase your position, it is amended down or canceled such that it does not increase your position, which means adds to your position. I still got to practice something here. So let me see. I believe we're selling. I'm just going to go ahead and hit sell short. I really don't know. Our order cancel reduce only inside of sell, but current position is 0. What? Oh, okay, that was a limit. I'm sorry. I got to go to market. Hit sell. Okay, now let's try to enter a close position. Let's put this back up to the top. All right, let's close the position that we have open. Add somewhere up here 14. Where do we get in at 14,650. 14,650. All like right here, 14,650, 14,8. Let's just do 14,8 right now. XBG's down. Shut up. All right, I need some coffee. Let's try 14.8 for now. Let's try 14.7. Close. That's bullshit. It's like they're jacking me, man. What the fuck? Why would it close? Dudes only. Why would it close like that? I can't seem to figure out why it would close my shit. It's making me seem like I don't know what I'm doing. I do this shit all the fucking time. It normally just posts it right here and lets me slide it around. And it looks like $100 is jacking me. Which it shouldn't do. How did I know that would work? They won't let me enter stop loss positions in or close order at this. This is like a take profit. And it worked. It's really, really, really close. Really close. I want to enter a stop loss. Damn. That's what I want to do. A stop loss. Why is that such a hard thing to accomplish on this dumbass thing? You know what I'm saying? That is bizarre ass shit. I'm telling you. Let me see how many minutes we got left. 3 minutes, and looks like the bears are taking control, so I'm just gonna stay in this position. Try to just make it do what it does right now with these $100 real quick. I just I'm trying to figure out how the hell am I supposed to enter a stop loss like I normally do without it taking, automatically snatching my order up. They flipped something. They flipped it around. They did something. They flipped the switch on something. So if I do a limit, this may be the only option to do a limit. Sell. I wish they had something that said limit close. They make me so scared to enter things. And let's see, we gotta really get used to this shit. I might have to reduce this down to 50 to play around with this a lot more, because this is ridiculous. I might have to put this down to $20 actually, so I can just mess around with this thing, because this is ridiculous. Let me see what it looks like. Okay. Definitely changed something around in here. It definitely did that. So this now looks like a take profit thingamajig, and in order to do a stop limit, take profit, there's a lot of take profit. So stop market, you got to put this thing in once and leave it in. So let's do a 14.9. Close on trigger. Oh, what does that mean? If checked, this will be a close order. Close orders can only reduce your position, not increase it. If the account has insufficient available balance when the close order is triggered, then other will be canceled or amended down to ensure your stop reduces your position regardless of other open orders. Let's slide this thing down. Bulls are in the market according to this candle. Well, I mean bears. I'm sorry, bears. Bears are in the market according to this candle. The bears won this candle. I'm not sure why they won, but they won. I need to stop. I want to stop like right here at 15.7, 15. I want to stop at like 15. What the hell is this? I can't even tell what the hell this is. I'm negative. Look, I can't get a stop in right there. Hell no. You ain't getting no stop right there. What about right here? 700. Okay. Let's see. 700, 707, 708, 717, what am I saying? 711. Okay, 711. 711. 730, 735, 751. 700. Oh, I'm not losing nothing. That's what I'm trying to say. That's what I've been trying to say. 750. Just put a 755. Damn. 747, 750 is right here. Find it. There it is, 750. Excuse me. The Bulls and the Bears are battling it out on this candle. Look at them go. Man, what's good with this 750 spot? Y'all can't go to the 750 spot for something? I mean, what's the matter? What seems to be the problem? 750 the problem? There it is. It bypassed that shit. Look at that shit. 750 what? They don't give a damn. Let's close this order. Now let's see. I can't hit a stop though. They won't let me hit a stop, man. We got 8 minutes left. Can't close it. Can't close it at 750. I mean, at 8 minutes left in the candle. These are 15-minute candles. I'm not closing it. Somebody's talking to me and I didn't know. Oh, man. Shit. Monkins. Hey, Ant, did you withdraw your dragons from my ether? Verge. Where's Verge at? Verge is the word. XBG 13 cent. Yeah, that's cool. I want more Bitcoin though. Trading this Bitcoin. Damn, I didn't even see Monkins typing. Man, I'm sorry, Monkins. You my buddy boy too. Where's Bitcoin Cash at? What's it doing? Damn. Just got a message from one of my buddy boys. I gotta get this down. Stop losses on here properly, man. This is crazy. It's like they changed something, man. Get the hell out of here. Four minutes left. Slow poking around. Oh, there's a $400 average shoe ranges. I'm gonna need some coffee, yo. Coffee, yo. Coffee, yo. What are these bulls and bears thinking about doing on this one here? Let's see who wins this candle. We got 4 minutes left. Long liquidated. They're liquidating longs right now. Somebody went long. 3 longs got liquidated right there. $1,000 contract, $9,000 contract, $5,000 contracts, all longs right there. I'm short. Go figure. Do I know what I'm doing, or do I don't know what I'm doing? Well, we're gonna find out today. Looks like the bears are just in the building. Is it too soon to say? 3 minutes remaining on this candle bar. We'll know who's winning this candle. Is it the bull or is it the bear? Let's pull this thing down. We don't know where it's headed. Could be headed even further down past this thing. Let's see what the troll box is saying. Wreck. Somebody getting wrecked. They said, wow, wreck. And we already got all the way down there. Let me lower this down some more. It's moving fast, yo. What's this? If I was to take profit right there, I need my whole like fucking 0.001 back. Fuckers. This is a $100 contract too. That's what's so dumb about it. Really though, it's really dumb. Because it's a $100 contract. And I can't figure out how to put a stop in. This used to be a stop loss right here, but now it's turned into a take profit. Stop loss would be at 7.8. Stop loss could be now at like 7, like just below this blue momentum line right here. 14,475. 14,475. So let's go to stop. Let me move this damn thing down because it's headed down here hella fast. Jesus, what's going on? Really? Not that me moving that fast. What's this? 14.4. Here it comes. Here it comes. I'm short, so I'm up. This thing is coming down. Let me slide this down, back down here. This is 12, this is 13, and I didn't have nothing but $100 on here. That's how fucking crazy this thing is making me trade. So fucked up. I can't even deal no more, man. It's crazy. All right, it's turning up. What's that mean? That's just the new candle bar, man. That's a bearish ass candle bar, okay? So bears are in the building. If this thing turns red, I'm adding 900 on there. Set this to market. Let's add 900 to the position. If it turns red, if this bar right here turns red, it's a 15-minute bar, so I'm gonna slide this down. Stop. I want to enter a stop right here, but it's moving so fast. It's turning red. But we won't know until after 13 minutes whether or not the Bulls win. I mean, whether or not the Bears win, because we're being bearish right now. I don't want to do any early entries. 13, 14, 13 minutes, 14, 12. All right, Bulls. Bulls are in the building. Bears are scary. That's where they're ready. They're ready, not ready, but they're ready, scary. They're causing the market to FOMO. All right, come on, let's see what's gonna happen. It's how many? 12 minutes. Too soon to say what's gonna happen with this bar. I wish I could put it to 10 minutes, but they won't even let me. They won't let me do it. I want to put a stop right here, right behind this blue EMA, but they won't let me do it. Let's see, what is it? 14,290, right? 14,290. Let's do it. 14,290 should be simple enough. Stop limit. Okay. Now, which one is it? Sell short, buy back. Buy long. 900. Oh yeah, that's definitely not the thing to do. It's 100. Buy long. Wow. What the fuck was that about? Order canceled. Close. Order had existing. Order, okay. Reduce only, okay. That was crazy dope, yo. Let's do another limit. Limit, stop, limit, take profit, trailing stop. Stop. I can't put a stop order in, man. This is crazy. Take profit market, trailing stop. I do not want a trailing stop. Let's do a limit. Can I do a limit stop? Stop limit. There is a stop limit right here. Let's do 14,290. 14,290. All right. Right there. Okay. What the hell's going on? I'm so confused. What happened to my other thing that was on the thing? All right, let's put it right here. 14,290. Buy stop. Yes. XVG down. XVG down. Coinbase, BTC down. BitChecker, LTC down. I wish it was on the chart. Gotta cancel this now. Or I could edit the triggering price. Stop price, edit. Edit again. All right, there we go. Now it's on the chart. It's where I wanted it. Good. Good. All right. We have something that we wanted to happen. Happening. Yes.
I got a present from my teacher.
Oh, you got a present from your teacher?
Yes. Everyone did.
That's a nice teacher you have. I like your teacher.
Only the people who get A's.
Only the people who get
A's and B's.
A's and B's got a present?
Yes.
Wow. See?
And I was the one.
See how you get good things happen to good kids all the time. Now I wanted to add $1,000 to this position. I want to be able to slide this stop limit down. But that's going to be a troublesome task. Now what happened to my take profit thing? Anybody know? 1380, 100. Let's put 13.5 in. Shit, 13,400. Close. Playing around with this dumbass thing. What the fuck just happened? Oh, there it is. Okay. Stay on my screen, why don't you? Let me increase my position on that ass. It's moving from where I got in at right here, which is 14.6. It's already at 13.7. That means if I would have used a $1,000 contract, I would be getting paid some dough right now. Not just this little bit of weirdness right here. I'm on the wrong contract. I should be doing this on a perpetual swap because I'm short. Really, that's really what I should be doing. Let's go ahead and take profit down here. Somewhere like right about here. And then error. Okay, don't error amend my shit. You piece of shit. Amending. Amended. Do you guys think it's gonna trigger? There it is. I got a stop limit order still in this dumbass weird shit. Stop limit. Oh shit. This shit is crazy. This shit is crazy, man. Made my money back by just a couple of bits with $100 contract. I've been trading with $1,000, man. I would have made a ton of dough. Jesus Christ, man. They like setting me up. This is the most confusing as shit. I swear. These are bears taking control. Already at back down to 13. Okay. We got 2 minutes left. I just want to see what the bulls end up doing before the end of this candle before I figure out what I'm going to do. Two minutes left. Put 1,000 up. Put the market order in there. Selling. Let's switch it over to perpetual swap. I mean, it doesn't let me see 15 minutes because they're janky as fuck. Let's go back over here. 13.5, 13.5. 1 minute left. Long liquidated. people that are going long and are getting liquidated. $46, $45, $44, $42, $41, $39. And it looks like the Bears have it controlled. The Bears have the control. Okay. Go short. Oh yeah, let's go short. Sell short out of 1,000. Yeah, sell short out of 1,000. Who is I'm gonna sell to? I'm selling to 13,495. 14,500, 14,525. How is that? That thing went flat right there. What is that? Oh, what the fuck is XBT doing on my screen again? I'm gonna restart this whole goddamn thing. That shit. Oh, every time I switch back and forth, it does it. I'm gonna pull back and then I'm gonna sell on their ass. Selling on their asses, yeah, yeah. What's wrong with this shit? Refresh, man. Fuck this shit. I don't know what the fuck they think this shit is. There we go. Did I have a real glitch like that? Now I can sell. This is the inverse swap. 1,000. Sell short. Sell short right here. Yes. The internet.
It won't work. The internet's not coming on.
It's not working.
Because I keep pressing it. It keeps saying connecting and then authentication.
You gotta wait. Turn your phone off and on. Okay, because I'm in here trading. Like, when I get out this position, I'll fix it for you. Turn your phone off and on, okay? Okay. Damn, did I buy long? Okay, I was about to say, I know I went short. I'm fucking crazy. I'm short like hell. Okay, there we go. That looks about right. Now I want to put a stop right here. So I remember how to do that, don't I? Long liquidation. $1,008. Another long liquidated. They are selling the shit out of this, and I'm short. What I need to do now is put a stop, a take profit. Way down here, some fucking where. XBT down, Bitcoin down. Damn, what's going on? It went off my screen too fast. It was on my screen and it got off. It went off my screen really fast. So let's see. Take a look. Well, how many minutes? We got 10 minutes. 10 minutes left in this bar. The bulls are battling with the bears like crazy. I took a position. Longs are getting liquidated. I'm short. I want to enter to take profit. I want to actually enter a stop loss right here. If I can figure out how to fucking put a stop loss in. Jesus, what is this right here anyways? 1390. All right, 13,790. 13,790. What's right here? All right, so let's take a look at this a little closer. 13,770. 13,770, okay. 13,770. Stop 13,770. Stop market. Stop limit. 13,770. All right, 0. 13,770.0. Now I sold, so I have to buy. So buy stop is the only thing that lights up. Great. Now put the stop in. It should work. Yes, it worked. Now take profit down here, right here. 13,2, wait, 13,255. 13,255. 13,255. All right, close. I'm scared to enter this shit. My stop should be hit. I don't know what the fuck that was. I've never seen this shit do anything like this before. Order field, okay. Bulls are taking control. I didn't lose anything. This is going to be a tough one. Let me think. 6 minutes left. Let's go back to repeat. Let's take a look at this. Let's take a good look. It does look like the bulls and the bears are battling. The bears are taking back control. Interesting enough, right? Okay. I'm gonna quit this feed. You guys seen enough That's about what's going on right here. All right, so you guys take care. Happy holidays. I'm done. Day done. All right, this is cool. This is fun. I'll figure out how to put these stops in. I was trying to put a stop in. I think I just did that. You saw it work. It worked. That's how it works. I can't move the stop. I'm not gonna sit here and figure out which one, who's winning right here until the last 5 minutes. So let's kill it. Maybe 15 more minutes. Now I gotta fix my Wi-Fi actually, so I'm gonna be done. I'm still trading though, but I'm gonna turn the live feed off. I don't want nobody to see anything or any of my real true profits I make. I really don't. I got my own reasons. Trust me. I know exactly which way this market is going. I'm done. I'll let you guys know later. Bye.